Hi everyone. We back Buffet, we back another day, another dollar. Nobantu Cala has written a story here. Actually, it's good news. Police arrest alleged mastermind behind murder of DA councillor. So there was a DA councillor who was shot past few weeks. So their murderers have been arrested. The police in the Western Cape have arrested a man suspected to be mastermind behind the murder of the Democratic Alliance ward candidate Sinovuyo Joko. The 37-year-old suspect was arrested during a joint intelligence-driven operation in Parkland on Saturday after he had allegedly been evading arrest. He was still in Cape Town. He did this thing with impunity. The accused was arrested after the police received a tip-off from the public about his whereabouts. They snitched on him. Good. Whoever who did that, good for him. Good for him or her. If we can work close with in law enforcement like this, crime will be reduced drastically. Police recovered the vehicle allegedly used in the commission of the crime and seized 7 cell phones during the operation. Joko was shot on her way home from a voting registration station in Danun last month. According to the police, Joko was allegedly subjected to an extortion scheme before her murder and was reportedly coerced into paying protection money. Or she probably refused. Where this thing of protection fees come from? Guys, do you think this is Italy during the preliminary investigation indicate that the deceased has allegedly been subjected to extortion and was reportedly forced to pay protection money. It is further alleged that after she refused to continue making these payments, threats were made against her, so she was tired. Do you think this need to be looked into? As much as this is exactly the same issue as the foreigners, as the illegal migrant. It's the serious issue, Bob, and it's threatening. People are afraid to even open their own businesses now because of this thing, a protection fee. Oh, they targeting everyone, teachers, everyone now. That's Black South Africans sometimes. The investigation further revealed that on Friday, 20 June 2026, while returning home after participating in a voter registration activities in Danun, she was allegedly followed before 2 armed suspects fatally shot her, said the police. The suspect will appear in the Cape Town Magistrate Court on Monday on charges of murder and extortion. Western Cape Acting Provincial Commissioner Major General Luyanda Damoy has praised the investigating team and all members involved in the operation for their swift action in making the arrest, as well as their dedication and perseverance. Police say further arrests are expected as the investigation continues. Guys, do it as soon as possible. And example needs to be set. This guy deserves life in prison. Life in prison with no parole. Aibo. Lava to lava. You only lose your life because of your hard-working man now. Man. The people are annoying. Anyway, Baveto, please, it's a short video. Please like, please subscribe. See you on the next video.